Good morning, dear students. In the last class, we are discussed about the mixtures and compounds. Okay, physical change and chemical change by the iron fillings and sulfur. Without heating means that is a mixture, and if we heat means that is we can get the compounds. Okay, one is a physical change and another one chemical change. Already we are discussed it. Okay, today I am going to discuss about the what are the differences between the mixtures and compounds. How can you define difference between the mixtures and compound? Okay, today I am going to discuss about the differences between the mixtures and compounds. Mixtures and compounds. So what is the differences between the mixtures and compounds? Here first we have to take the mixtures. Here compound. One is a mixture, another one is a compound. Already we know the mixture definition. How can we define the mixture? Elements or compound just mixed together to form a mixture, and no new compound is formed. In the physical change, there is no new substance will be formed. Mixture is a physical change, and compound is a chemical change. Their composition and new substance will be formed in the compound. Okay. So first point, mixture. Elements or compound just mixed together to form a mixture, and no new compound is formed. Elements or compounds just mix together to form a mixture, and no new compound is formed. No new compound is formed. Okay, elements or compound just mixed together to form a mixture, and no new compound is formed. That is called mixture. What about the compound? Elements react to form new compounds. Okay, in the compound, when elements are reactive, it will be form the new compounds. Elements react to form new compounds. Elements react to form new compounds. Okay, and a mixture has a variable composition. In the mixture, variable composition is there. A mixture having variable composition. A mixture has variable composition. A mixture has variable composition. In the mixture, different composition is there. And what about the compound? The composition of each new substance is always fixed. That composition of new substance is always fixed. In the mixtures, a mixture has a variable composition. That is the difference. In the mixture, variable composition is there, but in the compound, there is a fixed composition is there. The composition of each new substance the composition of each new substance is always is always fixed. The composition of each new substance is always fixed. Next, a mixture shows the properties of constituent substances. In the mixture, that mixture shows the properties of the constituent substance. Which constituent is there? That mixture will be shows the same as it is the constituent properties. A mixture shows the properties of the constituents. Constituent substances. Okay, a mixture shows the properties of the constituent substances. What about the compound? In the compound, the new substance has totally different properties. The new substance has totally different properties from their constituents. Okay, in the mixture, it is having the same properties. It shows the properties of the constituent substances, but in the compound, the new substance has totally different properties. The new substance has totally different properties. Totally different properties. Okay, and next point, the constituents can be separated fairly easily by physical methods. In the mixture, it is a physical change. The constituents can be separated fairly easily by physical method. By the physical method, that constituents we can separate easily. What about the compound? The constituents can be separated only by chemical or electrochemical reactions. Why? Because that compounds is a chemical change. The constituents can be separated easily by physical methods. Easily by physical methods. The constants can be separated by only by chemical or electrochemical reactions. Okay, these are the differences between the mixtures and compound. Okay, so what is the differences? Once again, mixtures and compounds. Mixture, compound. Elements or compounds just mixed together to form a mixture, and no new substance, no new compound is formed. That is called mixture. What about the compound? Elements react to form new compounds. And second point, a mixture has a variable composition. In mixture, that composition is variable. The composition of each new substance is always fixed. In the compounds, that composition is a fixed composition, but in the mixture, variable composition is there. Mixture has a variable composition, and compound is a composition is fixed. And third point, a mixture shows the properties of the constituent substance. That mixture shows the properties of their constituent properties. Okay, and what about the compound? The new substance has totally different from properties of the compound. The new substance has totally different properties, but here same properties, here different properties of the substance. The constituents can be separated easily by physical method. The constituents can be separated easily by physical method. The constituents can be separated only by chemical or electrochemical reactions. Okay, here we can separate easily physical method, but here the constituents can be separated only by chemical or electrochemical reactions. Okay, this is about the differences between the mixtures and compound.